Hi, this is Andrew Miller with Chimique Adhesives. Today we're going to demonstrate the Chimique Adhesives Quick-fix repair kit for synthetic turf. The Quick-fix repair kit is an ultra-fast two-part polyurethane that contains no VOCs, no solvents, and provides for a permanent repair within approximately 1 hour, give or take depending on temperature. Including in the Quick-fix repair kit are 3 tubes of a 2-component polyurethane adhesive, roughly 2 ounces each, that will do approximately 1 square foot of repairs each. 3 static mixing tips, and an adapter for adapting to a standard 10-ounce cartridge gun. Some of the tools you may need, of course, are the 10-ounce cartridge gun, rubber gloves, because polyurethane does not come off once it's cured, and a small portion of seam tape, if needed. First, we're going to go ahead and mount the cartridge into a standard 10-ounce cartridge gun. For demonstration purposes, though, I am going to use a 2-part gun that's readily available from Chimique Adhesives. These are much more convenient, although in a pinch, a cartridge adapter and a gun works out very well. Assembling your cartridge is fairly simple. You take the adapter and clamp it down over the plunger. Insert your cartridge into the adapter and load all of it within the caulk gun. The trick is to get the plungers to line up with the cartridge itself, which is relatively easy. Next thing you want to do is prep your turf. Make sure your turf is free from contaminants, any dirt, debris, because the adhesive will stick, but it will stick to the dirt and debris instead. So make sure it's clean before you do it. If you're going to be laying down on an existing seam, you don't need seam tape. But in this case, we're going to use a fresh piece of seam tape. When you're ready to do your demonstration or do your repair, remove the cap on the twin 50 milliliter cartridge and insert your static mixer. I'm going to use again the twin 50 milliliter gun for convenience. You're going to prime the adhesive until a small amount comes out. Now, the 2 components of the adhesive are blue and yellow, so you should see a uniform green color by the time you squeeze it out. Next, each cartridge does roughly 1 square foot of repairs, so I'm going to go ahead and put a nice strong bead down. And this is roughly half a square feet, so I'll use roughly half a cartridge. Go ahead and place your turf down. And then provide weight during the curing process. Now it's time to test the integrity of the repair. A good indication that your adhesive is cured is to look at the test sample that you squeezed out to blend it. It should be pliable but very strong. Full cure is roughly in 1 hour. It's a little bit faster when it's warmer out, a little bit slower when it's cooler out. Remove your weight and give a good tug on the synthetic turf. I'm going to destroy this one just to show you how strong the bond is. As you can see, I'm literally pulling the turf apart, and the bond is not moving. For more information, you can contact Chimique Adhesives at chimiqueadhesives.com, or for purchasing, visit us on purchaseadhesives.com.